Hello everybody. This marks day 1000 of it being chilly in Florida. Just kidding. So today we are in Fernandina Beach on Amelia Island, North Florida on the East Coast on the Atlantic Ocean. It's cold. Got my gloves on, 2 pairs of pants, 2 jackets, 2 shirts, and a big bra. Big shoes, my boating shoes, and the weather is actually taking a turn for the worst right now. It's been nice for like 3 hours today. Now it's 3 o'clock and the wind's picking up tremendously. It's not as nice. It's actually getting kind of bitter cold. I'm very hungry. But all in all, it's a nice day. There are shells out. The water kind of murky. Clouds are beautiful. Still a good day. At Fernandina Beach, Amelia Island, didn't get snow today or yesterday. Got it the day before. Missed it, but that's okay. I mean, can't be everywhere at once, especially coming from South Florida. But I just thought I'd take you guys along today, just so you can see what shelling in winter is like, and it's actually never like this. Normally you just wear the same things you normally wear, just different shells. But shelling in Florida is best between December and May. That's all I had to say. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's start shelling. Let's go. What? Look at this. Oh, a black Stout Tagelus. That is huge. Oh yes, that just happened. And then this awesome like surf clam talon situation. Cool colors. This little guy is funny. He looks like a cigarette. He's a Virginia Slim. I like it. Found this guy. Another channeled whelk top. Another shark eye moon snail. And another shark eye moon snail. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Dang it. That one passed the shoe line. Oh no. There you go. Another shark eye. Ugh. Ah, no. No. It's freaking broken. I hustled. Here's a shark eye moon snail. Some mussel. Slightly iridescent. Oh, my hands are getting cold. I can't move them again. Nice. Oh shoot. Shark eye moon snail. Just alright. Good start. Oh, this is beautiful. Pretty coquina. Oh, these great black oysters. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, that was pretty cool. Wow. Wow. Hello. Did not know that was gonna happen. Pretty cool oyster. It's black and white. Oh, it was a knobbed whelk. He has an interesting shard. It's a big shard. Oyster. Here's a jingle shell. Translucent jingle shell. The side of sand. There's an arc. Really pretty, rusty, cream colored arc. Oh my gosh, I've never seen. Look at that. That's an arc. Oh my gosh, it's like a mix between like a white arc, a yellow arc, a rusty arc, and a ponderous black and white arc. Wow. Here's a cool black arc. Murder hole. Coquinas. You got all sorts of colors here. You got yellow. Lots of yellows, rusty, browny grays. Oh boy. Ugh. Oh, the shells are clean. Oh my god, my hand's freezing. Oh, I can't even bend my hand to show you. That's a pretty art too. Brown and black. You've got your rust. You've got your gray. And I'm gonna take these two. It's a nice black oyster shard. Do a lot with that. Ooh, here's another flat one. It's like a pancake. Pancake oyster. It's like a quahog. We found a really cute little mini mussel. It's so baby. Black and white ponderous arc. There's not too many of these on this coast, or at least not in January. So the black and white ponderous arcs are white on the other side. And on the top, they're black and white. The black looks like it should be dirty and you can scrub it off, but it will not scrub off. Here, that is a quahog. Oops. Quahog looks like that on the other side. That's that side. Got a cool olive here. It's like black. A little shell situation. I don't even know what shell that is. And here's another quahog. Found a feather. It's broken. A mini gray arc. Just a little fella. It's a type of an oyster. Found another cool olive. It's a lettered olive. Man, there are so many shells here. Here's an auger. I've never seen it with markings that defined with a different color. There's a black and white ponder's arc, another one. This one is super black and fuzzy. This is a piece of a lion's paw. Just a piece. These shells get, I believe, 6 or 7 inches. This is a jingle shell, translucent jingle shell ivory. It's a rust-colored arc. Really pretty. You don't see too many rust-colored. So this is, it's broken, but look, it's almost a perfect, complete, like, knobbed whelk that's black. It's a Tellin. I love these, they're fun to paint on. Found a shark-eye moon snail with another kind of Tellin, surf clam with a murder hole, and then another auger. Not too bad. Oh, my butt just got wet. Shoot. I got one hand without a glove on, and I'm starting to be able to not move it, so I'll do my best. It's a black eastern oyster. It's a black arc. What is this? Holy crap! It's a baby's ear, a sailor's ear. It's black. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. Wow. Huh, cool. Shark-eye moon snail. Man, this beach has nothing but like the tops of shark eyes. Wow, that thing is blacker than night. It's a black shell, eh? It's an arc. Eastern oyster. This is to a lion's paw. That's humongous. It's broken. And then another oyster. It's so small. Oh no! Oh, there you are. Well, you can get a better look at it there without my hand. That's pretty cool. Oh, so tiny and cute. No aliens. Wow, it is getting cold. Got some cool shells coming up here. And water. This beach has lots of arcs. Different types of arcs too. Delictendaria. Got Florida arcs. Here's an eastern oyster. Another arc. It's a surf clam. It's a rock. Like a shell rock or a sedimentary rock. It's got no holes in it. Lots of cool dark shells here. Black shells. Surf clam. Colorations on it are gorgeous. Lots of coquina shells. This one's got a murder hole. take that. Cool yellow. Oh yeah, this is a fossilized rock. Look at that. That just might glow under UV light. Aha! A hagstone! Kind of looks like a Y and a heart. Here's a large barnacle, a piece to one. Oh, it's a sweet art. Another good black one. Here's another piece to that, another piece to a barnacle. It's another type of oyster. Not many people on the beach today. The weather hasn't been too nice. It's actually been frigid. Alright, what is this? What in the world? What in the world is this? It's like coral on a rock? And, well, that's pretty freaking cool. Can't say I've ever seen anything like that. Almost a hole that goes through. It does actually, except for that little piece of coral. Looks like it's got some iron in it. Well, it's a mess to get that further. I can bend my hand. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a name for this. I forgot. It's a bunch of oysters that are like a pack. They're a pack team. I forgot the name of it. There's actually a name. They're all clumped together like this. No, it's not oyster clump. I mean, maybe. Oh, that's a fun oyster. Good for arts and crafts. Lots of rocks through here. Must be some kind of rock bed. This rock is interesting. See, I can't bend my hands, I'm too cold. That looks like a bunch of sand. It's like a sand rock. That looks old. Oh, that would have been so awesome. So awesome if that was whole. Yeah. It'll take you, little coquina. So when I first came out here, there was actually like quite a few people. Now it's like desolate. And I am about to join them on that because it is not nice out right now. Boy, look at all the treasures. Broken shell. That is really pretty. Looks like a crystal. It's a flat oyster. This is gonna dry and it's gonna be so ugly. And I'm like, why did I pick that up? This is a cool rusty coquina. Here's another good oyster. It's like a gray one. So, ooh, hey, that's pretty. It's got like a really pretty inside. And this arc. That I can't hold. Lots of arcs. Lots of oysters. Look at the colorations on that. Pretty. Big too. Oh, that would have been awesome. Too bad. But over here, here's another piece to a giant lion's paw. Huh. It's gone. They don't seem to make it over here. Like being able to wash up completely. Check out this awesome rock. Talk about fossilized. You can see there's a clam in there. 2 clams, 1 and 2. Wow. Everything was a shell in here. Every last thing. Looks like a circle and a clam got wedged in there. Wow, that's awesome. Found a Stout Tagelus. Found a Talon with a murder hole. Talon. Found a top to a knobbed whelk. Found this guy like that, and I was like, oh yeah, and then that was it. Shark eye moon snail. Found this pretty awesome rock, and it's like a hagstone. Very interesting formation here. The holes in the rocks are naturally made. Wow, that's neat, huh? This is a lion's paw. A piece to a lion's paw. I'm gonna guess what? I found another one. So, look at that, right there. A bunch of these pieces, and they're all gray, which is so crazy. Knobbed whelk, just the top. Girl, you gotta get some lotion on your hands. I'm trying. Talon. I found a limpet. I don't remember it being crushed. I think I crushed it in my pocket. Taking turns wearing gloves and not wearing gloves. Found a cute little mini arc. Oh, it's a little busted. That's that. Please be whole, please be whole, please be whole. No! Dang it. Oh. 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 What is this, a graveyard of broken shells? Sauce. I mean, it's kind of epic though. Oh. Stop. Hey. Here's a angel wing. Broken. I think that's what that is. It's fragile. Oh, it's a rock. I thought it was a piece of driftwood. That's a big rock. It looks like an eggshell. It's just a quahog with a bunch of boring holes in it. Hey, look how big these oysters are. Fantastic. Look how big this. Look how big that thing is. Holy mama. Are you good? No, you have boring holes too. Oh, dang. Where are all the whole ones at? Jeez Louise. So what are these things eating? They're like giant. Oh, man. Okay, so this is an auger. It's a common American auger, but it's black. It is not a Sally's auger. Wow. Okay. We've got arcs, oysters, same kind. You got coquina right here. A little hard to see. Arcs, whelks. Come on. Give me something good. Oh. Just another broken whelk. And just another humongous oyster. Another giant arc. Wow. Good stuff.